Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add block and unblock internet access option in the context menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we right mouse click, you can see the context menu. So right now we don't have any such option to block and unblock internet access here. So in order to get a block and unblock internet access option in the context menu, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one application named as Firewall Easy. On the first list, you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side, you can see your releases. Just click on it. Scroll down below. Now here you will see firewalleasy.zip. Just download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now here you will see Firewall Easy. Just double click on it. Now you can see the user interface of this application. So now you can just exit it. Now just right mouse click on the respective application and click on this show more options. Now you can see here firewall rules. So you can see we have got our block internet access and unblock internet access on our context menu. So directly from here you can block and unblock. And now if you want to remove this block internet access or unblock internet access again from your context menu, then just open the folder which you have extracted, and now you will see here one registry file, cleanup registry. Just double click on it, click on yes, click on OK. Now you can close it. Now let us check if it has removed the respective options from the context menu or not. Just right mouse click on the respective application again, click on show more options. Now you can see the option has been removed again. So by using this cool application named as Firewall Easy, you can easily add block and unblock internet access option in the context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.